and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. First of all, I'm really sorry for not posting something in like a month. Please don't shoot me. I know being consistent is super important, but I've just been caught up with some stuff, and the next month or so will be really busy as well. And I'll eventually tell you about it. But anyway, sorry, and let's move on. Please don't hate me. But I have been going to the gym regularly. I've been on my shit, and you can see a little bit muscles coming. This wasn't there before, so it's like really small progress, but it's something. I'm proud of myself. But speaking of Evolve, they have planned a trek for some of the members and non-members, which is happening in 7 hours, and I really need to sleep. And I'm really excited because I love doing these things and I don't really get a chance very often. But yeah, the only part I'm not looking forward to is waking up at 4 a.m. We have to meet at Evolve at 5 o'clock, and then there's like a 2.5 hour drive to Bhol Fort, I think. Anyway, so I'm just super pumped. You guys know Indira, she's coming along as well. Enough energy. I will see you at 4. Okay. See you at 4 a.m. Good night. It's so dark. If the lift is slow now also, then...
No, now the lift is
So it's 5:30 and we're about to leave for the trek, and Mare is holding the camera literally above her head to give the vlog update.
Vlog update.
How do you feel about the trek?
I'm getting interviewed. I'm sleepy, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna walk or do anything.
There is some very loud music playing. We're trying to vibe to it. It's quite funny.
You can't escape it, just join it. Life hacks.
You were trying to sleep, but it didn't happen.
Everyone was really silent for the first like 30 minutes. The sun rose and everyone got energy. Man.
Oh, that's a cute song. This brings such different vibes.
Look at it. Wow. It's like Sasta Mahabaleshwar.
Why did you say Sasta, this, Sasta, that for everything? Even in your last video, So terrible.
At this Chaskaman Dam, if I'm not wrong. And it's really pretty, but I can't focus on anything because I really have to pee. And there's no washroom here. So, kinda... I don't know. That guy to say jungle mein kar lo. Should I do it there?
Yes, I think that's why you should do it.
Okay. I'll go then.
Okay.
Goodbye. Nahi. Oh. Thank you. Okay, so the track was supposed to start at around 8 o'clock and it is currently almost 10:45. But we're starting at least. I'm excited, but let's see how it goes.
Turn a little more to her. Bend your arm a bit. Yeah, perfect. That's fine.
You're also director.
I'm just trying to get a good angle.
Trek. Little bit patch as rock climbing. Not technical, easy one. I'll be leading and Samir will be behind. So remain between two of us. And there are trainers who will be in between. Okay? Fine?
Yes.
And no selfies at risky spots. Please, strictly. No mobiles there. Let's start. Come on.
Chalo. Ah, it's cold. Take it like me.
Someone should take a video of this.
I am. Abhi, how will you come? Oh my God! So I have to climb all the way up. I'm really tired already, but we'll make it. How did you get there?
Here.
Come.
Come from here. इधर से आएगा.
Come.
Oh. Hero. This is crazy. This is really steep. I'm so glad I'm not scared of heights. What's up? We're literally in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm scared I'm gonna get a rash, yaar.
भाग.
We're literally in the
My hair is just
middle of the forest.
Meher is just admitted
tiger
to us
will
that
come
his
from
worst
here
fear is
now.
staying in the forest.
Because
A tiger will come from here.
There are so many random insects and bacteria that you just don't know about, you know?
Scared.
Just random shit.
Stop pushing.
She's shivering.
The wild is scary.
I sense fear in her voice.
Female versus wild.
Female?
Woman versus wild.
Woman versus wild. गहरी खाई में नहर slowly
My heart like skipped a beat. Okay.
just steps now
Overconfident.
and we are in Amazon forest right now.
ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
The deep jungle. Bear Grylls is waiting for us ahead. This is the step where Meher.
The famous step.
Yes. Bear Grylls is waiting for us इधर आगे for चाय पानी चाय बिस्कुट. हम जा रहे हैं.
See? You continue my legacy.
Meher has her phone above her head
Take it.
Because I'm sure.
all the time.
Take care, guys. It's so slippery.
You better be amazing, honestly. After all this headache we've had to go through.
We've fallen also.
The waterfall should be like the best waterfall ever.
They basically see us. फेंको किसी पे.
I think I'm gonna drop most of it.
That's what I thought when you opened it like that.
It wasn't opening one. Wait, I got it.
We're trying to stay hydrated. How did that go?
I was just trying to do the best I could at this point, honestly.
Shake it and then stir and then have it.
Okay, so both of us are debating if we should go into the water. She kind of brought a change. I kind of didn't, but she has some extra clothes.
But I don't know if it's a good idea.
Yeah, and plus I just like had a cold and a cough, so I don't know. But I want to. Like, see, it looks really nice.
ये ऐसे करेगी.
I don't know. Why are you guys laughing at me?
Not at you.
So we went. But let's see, I probably have to borrow someone's t-shirt or something, and then I have an extra pair of shorts, so I should be okay. I don't really get to see a view like this very often, and I mean, should be fine. Okay, so We had a bit of an issue. Indira slipped twice. Second time she really injured herself.
Yes.
So we have her foot wrapped. But she's really strong. We made it all the way down. Badi
fine, like, I
mushkil
think
se,
it's
but we
fine.
did it.
It just hurts.
Hit the ghanti. So we know.
Should I?
You should. This is like memorable. You were injured and you still did it. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you. It's fine, I'm fine. It just hurts a bit.
Chalo abhi. Hello. Oh, you are so cute. Chickens. Hello. Hello. You're cute now, but you're tastier when you're dead. We made it. We're gonna be eating lunch over here. Vlog update. We got wet in the waterfall, so we had to change, and we just ate. We're finally going back. I'm just really tired, dude. I'm gonna go home
I
and
think
just
everyone's
sleep.
gonna like sleep on the bus or like just chill, be very quiet.
Yeah, I really hope there's no
we have
loud
nice
music
chai
in the bus and all. But I'm looking for. I think we'll stop at the same place for chai. That'll be nice.
Yeah, that'll feel good like after being in the cold.
But it's
and
a-
it was raining also now.
Yeah, it's really nice and peaceful here, though.
So green.
Gran. Bye. Very nice place.